षष्ठः पाठः गृहं शून्यं सुतां विना. Let us move into the next part. Finally, Rakesh understood his mistakes. He got self-realization and started to value the girl child also. अथवा पितुः दशगुणां मातेति त्वया सन्मार्गः प्रदर्शितः भगिनी कनिष्ठापि त्वं मम गुरुरसि. अथवा पितुः दशगुणा माता इति त्वया सन्मार्गः प्रदर्शितः भगिनी कनिष्ठा अपि त्वं मम गुरुः असि. Apart from that, it is said in Vedas that pituhu dashaguna mata iti. Mother is 10 times greater than father. To his sister that you have shown me right path. Sanmarga means right path. Pradarshitaha shown. So kanishta api tvam mama guruhu asi. Even though you are younger than me, kanishta means younger, you are like my guru, teacher. Like a teacher, you advised me and shown me a right path. It is said that mother is 10 times greater than father. Now you have shown right path. You are like guru even though younger than me. Athava or pituhur dashaguna 10 times better than father. Tvaya by you sanmargaha right path pradarshitaha showed kanishtapi even younger. Shalini alam paschatapena tava manasaha andhakaraha apagataha prasannatayaha vishayaha ayam. Shalini alam paschatapena tava manasaha andhakaraha apagataha prasannatayaha vishayaha ayam. So Shalini says that, Rakesh, oh brother, alam paschatapena, you don't worry. Tava manasaha andhakaraha apagataha, darkness, bad thought from your mind removed. Prasannatayaha vishayaha ayam, I am very happy about this. So as you changed, your mind is changed, there is nothing to worry, it is matter of happiness. Shalini, don't worry, darkness from your mind removed. Now it's matter of happiness. Alam, enough, paschatapena, with worries, manasaha, of mind, andhakaraha, darkness, apagataha, removed, prasannatayaha, of happiness. Bhratrajaye agaccha sarvam chintam tyaja agantuhu shishoho swagataya cha sannadha bhava. Bhratrajaye agaccha sarvam chintam tyaja agantuhu shishoho swagataya cha sannadha bhava. So Shalini told to her sister-in-law Mala that Bhratrajaye, oh sister-in-law, agaccha, please come. Sarvam chintam tyaja, you leave all worries. Now no need to worry because your husband is changed now. Agantuhu shishoho swagataya cha sannadha bhava, be ready to invite new child who is going to come. Bhratrajaye, sister-in-law, sarvam chintam, all worries, tyaja, leave, agantuhu, upcoming, shishoho, of child, swagataya, to welcome, sannadha bhava, be ready. Bhrataha tvamapi pratijñam kuru kanyayaha rakshane tasyaha patane dattachittaha stasyasi putrim raksha putrim pataya iti sarvakarasya ghoshaneyam tadaiva sarthaka bhavishyati. Bhrataha tvam api pratijñam kuru kanyayaha rakshane tasyaha patane dattachittaha stasyasi putrim raksha putrim pathaya iti sarvakarasya ghoshanayam tada eva sarthaka bhavishyati. So brother, you also take pledge. Pratijna means pledge. that Kanyayaha Rakshane Tasyaha Patane, in the protection of girl child as well as in the education of girl child. Datta Chittaha Stasyasi, you will be dedicated, you will be strong in this education and protection of girl child. Putrim Raksha Putrim Pathaya iti Sarvakarasya Ghosanoyam. There is a government slogan that Putrim Raksha Putrim Pathaya. The slogan Beti Bachao Beti Padhao will be successful only when everyone takes that pledge seriously and follow that in their life. Brother, you also promise you will be strong in the protection and education of girl. Then government slogan protect the girl, educate the girl will be successful. Pratijnam Kuru, take pledge, Kanyayaha of girl, Rakshane in the protection, Datta Chittaha on concentration, Sarvakarasya of government, Ghoshanoyam slogan, Sarthaka Bhavishyati will be effective. Tada Vayam Sarve Militva Chintanamidam Yathartha Rupam Karishyamaha. Tada Vayam Sarve Militva Chintanamidam Yathartha Rupam Karishyamaha. So like this, let us make this dream true altogether. Then we can make this thought reality. Vayam Sarve, we all, Militva, together. Chintanamidam, this thinking. Yathartha Rupam Karishyamaha will make reality. Ya Gargi Shrutachintane Nripanaye Panchalika Vikrame Lakshmihi Shatru Vidarane Gaganam Vijnanangane Kalpana Indrodyogapate cha Hela Jagati Kyatabhitah Saina Seyam Stri Sakalasu Dikshu Sabala Sarvai Sadotsahyatam. Ya Gargi Shrutachintane Nripanaye Panchalika Vikrame Lakshmihi Shatru Vidarane Gaganam Vijnanangane Kalpana Indrodyogapate cha Kela Jagati Kyatabhitah Saina Seyam Stri Sakalasu Dikshu Sabala Sarvaihi Sada Utsahyatam. So, naming some great people who contributed their life for the development of society are given in this shloka. Like Gargi, who was well educated and well versed in Vedas, and she used to advise even kings. Panchalika, Draupadi in Mahabharata, she was brave, she was famous for bravery. Lakshmi Bhai, Lakshmihi Shatru Vidarane, she was famous for defeating the enemies. And Gaganam Vijnanangane Kalpana, in astronomy, Kalpana Chawla is famous. Indranui, Indrodyogapate, Indranui in business field and in the sports field, Saina Nehwal. Like this, many women got success in their field and made this world famous. So let us motivate each and every woman to achieve their best. So Gargi was expert in Shastra and advising the kings, Draupadi in bravery, Lakshmi Bai in destroying the enemies, Kalpana Chawla in science, Saina in the field of sports. Like this, women are strong in all fields all the time. Thank you, children. Let us continue with the exercise tomorrow.